As you've been going through this last section introducing you to the chop family, you may have wondered why your particular version of the network that we built has a checkerboard background like I do in this example, rather than the black background that you saw in the previous recordings. This actually has to do with a setting in TouchDesigner that we have the ability to change rather than there being some kind of difference in the way that you've set things up. By default in TouchDesigner, you'll see this checkerboard pattern layered behind your texture to show you that there is some level of transparency contained within it. So if you don't see the checkerboard, you have no transparency in your particular texture. If you do see the checkerboard, there is some level of transparency. And like I mentioned before, we have the ability to change this behavior if we so choose, which is done via the Edit Preferences dialog. So that is Alt and P if you want to use the shortcut, or Edit Preferences. On Mac, I believe you have to open up the TouchDesigner dropdown in the Mac menu bar at the top and choose Preferences from there. But either way, you'll want to end up at the Preferences window, and then we'll head over to the Tops page. You'll notice here that we have this viewer background setting. And as we mentioned before, this is set by default to checkerboard. If you set this to black and then choose save, you'll see that the checkerboard texture has been replaced with a black backdrop. Now, in general, especially for beginners to the program, we would recommend against using this viewer background mode because it's not easy to then identify where transparency is located within your texture. It's very easy to confuse a texture that has transparency with a texture that does not. And so in general, we recommend for our beginner users to set this viewer background to checkerboard, which again is the default behavior. So I hope that clears up any potential questions that you may have had as you were working through the intro to chops.